Do you need to do that?
See,
Apparently I'm just a prop.
yep. See, what I do nowadays, Dada, is I stack all my stuff on you. Don't laugh, you're gonna make it tip over. Is I stack all my stuff on you, and then I come and sit on your head.
Oh no, I made everything fall.
Uh-oh, Ava. Uh-oh.
It's all down. Look. Oh no.
You fix it. You gonna fix it?
Oh, you should sit beside Dada.
You ruined it, Dada. You ruined it. We have to start all over.
Ugh.